Hello friends, welcome to LearnOne. In previous lecture, we have learned about clear method of hash. And today we will learn about delete method of hash. Suppose from my hash I want to remove one key value pair. So I am using delete method. This delete method takes one parameter, that is the key that we need to remove. So by entering that key, it will return that key value pair from my hash. Here in example, I have created a hash which contains two key value pairs. And from the two key value pairs, suppose I want to remove my first key value pair from my hash. So what I need to do is, I need to write my hash variable name dot the method, that is delete, and I need to pass one argument, the key that we need to remove from my hash. Here I am specifying my first key value pair's key, that is 1, and it will remove my first key value pair from my hash. One thing that we need to keep in mind while working with delete method is the delete method always returns the value of the removed key value pair. Now we will see practical of delete method. First I am creating one hash, that is, let's say my hash, and I am assigning two key value pair. Let's say first is 1, this is my key, and my value, that is 1. I am creating another key value pair 2, and I am assigning a value 2. So our hash is created. To delete a key value pair from hash, we need to pass the key that we want to delete, and it will delete its key value pair from our hash. So here from my hash, let's say I want to delete my second key value pair. So my hash, this is my variable name dot delete, and I am passing one argument, that is my key. Let's say I want to delete my second pair, so I am passing 2 and hitting enter. So it will return me 2, the value, that is 2. And now if I am again printing my variable name, that is my hash, it return only one key value pair, that is 1. This key value pair second is deleted by using method delete. This is how we can work with delete method. In next lecture, we will learn about empty method of hash.